Right now I'm just trying to go get a moisturizer for my skin and get maybe something else like a little bit of treatment or some type of treatment for my skin or a mask or something like that, because I figured out why my skin been breaking out and that shit finna change starting today. So what I figured out is that I've been using this moisturizer that's not really the best for my skin, and it got like fragrance and shit in there. So after like 5 months of using it, I just figured it out. So I'm cutting that shit out. About to go get a new moisturizer. And yeah, we'll see what type of stuff I find. Hopefully it's some good shit though. This is the area around my metro that I'm walking to right now. It's a lot of buildings and stuff, apartments and all that shit, and construction. But this still area, it's a bus station too, so the towers. This shit nice though. I fuck with it. It's a nice little view sometimes. So right now, I'm buying I'm refilling my monthly transport card. That shit costs €10, so not bad for 30 days. Shit. Unlimited transportation, that's good, so I ain't tripping. Okay, now I'm good, so now I can go through here. Hopefully this shit work. It should. Alright, bet. So we good now. Now we're just going through. Finna get on the metro. This is the shopping center. I'm finna go in right now. See what I'm about to get. I don't know if they got a bunch of skincare stuff in here, but they should though. It's like hella different stores and stuff. It's pretty nice. So we'll see what they got. See what I get. Okay, so the first store I went to was Primark, and it don't look like they got too much of what I'm looking for right so far. But I'm gonna look at everything, but I don't think they got nothing I'm really looking for. Gel moisturizer though, €5. I don't know about this shit, man. I'd rather get it from like a trusted place, like more trusted place than Primark. But that was an unsuccessful run, so next though. I knew I wasn't gonna find much up in here though, cause it's more like a department store, so. I'm about to try to find like a pharmacy or a skincare store. If I can't, I'm gonna just go to the pharmacy I know and just get something from there. But I gotta get a moisturizer for sure. All right, so I was just thinking about it and I figured out what store I need to find. If they got like a Ulta type of store, I think that's where I need to be at. So I'm gonna try to find something similar to like Ulta. Cause that's what my family, the women in my family, they shop there for their skincare and shit. So they gotta work. They gotta be where it's at. All right, y'all. I know Bob, my nigga. As soon as I said it, I found a Sephora, so I might just go to Sephora and get it. But we're gonna weigh all the options. You can't jump on the first thing I see, cause then I'm gonna have my shit. My skin gonna be all thrown off. So I'm gonna just keep looking, but I'm pretty sure Sephora gonna be where it's at. And I'm gonna let y'all know. Yeah, I think I found something that might be better than that. They got everything in here. I found it. They got everything skincare in this Medi Market. So I think I found it, y'all. But we'll see. Cause it's looking pretty good though. Hopefully it's not no prescription based. But it can't be because this stuff's sitting on, so. Alright, let me go back to the skincare area, look at the moisturizers and see what I'm gonna get. I'm so glad I found this. We got CeraVe, La Roche-Posay, which is what I might end up getting. I might have to pull my translator out, so I'm about to stop recording so I can hurry up and do this shit. All right, y'all, I forgot to record, but I ended up getting 2 things. I got like a treatment and a moisturizer from La Roche-Posay. These 2 right here. But I'm gonna show y'all when I get back home. I'm probably gonna do a little skincare routine and then clean up. So, all right, y'all. So I'm back home now. This is how I look right now. I'm about to clean up. Got dishes and shit. Stuff just laying around for real, but it's not that bad right now. I gotta hang my flag back up too. That motherfucker fell. But yeah, you see, I'm recording on the iPhone. That's what I've been using for my iPhone and iPad. But I'll clean the microwave and shit. Just do a little deep cleaning. As y'all seen, I just separated a whole load, 2 loads of laundry. I got one right here and the other one right here. But I'm finna go ahead and take this, put it in the washer. Making some salmon because I'm hungry as shit, so I might make some salmon and rice just to make sure I eat some tonight.